Hey, kabane dog, ngibone family meeting yakho ngale. Ngiyacela nje yami please man, angathi ngirespond like bengicela droppa i-joint for le directed kuwe, just a joking joint but ibe distract just for lengaba nje 30 seconds like ngi-create starting from now until to ngiyidrope lokuwe laboma 7:30. Angathi is a yes or no doc.
Siyayicala ke manje la nje uyangithola siyayicala ke manje la nje uyangithola yeah sure akusithi distract uyangithola yesikila siyakuda ngidlanza fresh skilani uyaphuma ebhithini njengembali hayi ngiyakutshela ka umile ama-fruits skilani uyaphuma ebhithini njengembali skilani uyaphuma ebhithini njengembali hayi ngiyakutshela ka umile ama-fruits skilani uyaphuma ebhithini njengembali nasi-rap music isnash baba ngingena nge-microphone ngiphethe umlilo ushisa phe skilani uyanyamalala ngimfuna ngeflyer use uyirepa kodwa iflow yakho idraya ngikufaka egaraji ngiyakushintsha njengelithaya mina ngihamba nge-beats wena uhamba nge-keyboard ngikhuluma nge-streets wena nge-Facebook post use uyiboss ngepisarel yakho yi-ghost ngikuhlaba ngemavesi ngudla njenge-toast mina ngilibhubesi wena uyi-pussycat ungaphose emabha ungakaphuma ekhishini icrew yakho i-comedy nini nibanga i-respect kepha nini bafana nimane ninikwa i-reject ngivula i-mic ngiyahlasela njenge-punch wena ubhala ngemaphupho mina ngishova ema-facts uyazama kushova iswekhi kepha i-drip uyakho i-tap mina ngishova ivari wena uyi-trap ngikulaya ngema-rhymes ngikufaka cascade ngikhipha iphanji wena uyi-plastic iflow yami iyashaya njengemoto nge-clutch wena uvala nge-starter ndangawuna yi-torch ngihamba nge-beats wena ntwana uyaphazama ngikubeka ku-mute uyakhuluma mani unedrama ivesi yakho yi-joke ngihleka ngemakhoma ngikhuphuka nge-hook ngikushiya nje kutroma ngiyangena ngethembo ngiyagijima ngetone wena uhlala esigicini mina ngihlala ku-throne wena uyiposta ubonakali nge-crowd mina ngiyaduma ngize ngisalele nge-sound yeah sure kasi-rap music isnash baba wele baba siyakhuda nje yeah sure
It's like ngihambe ma-freestyle nakho epejini lakho nje yami like ngiyawagrade so cause music nawe uyawuthanda so nami ngiyawuthanda so lamanye blind